Hi! Welcome to Yesign chocolate painting tutorial. My name is Yang. Today we're going to paint Monstera gray. Are you ready to go with me? You will find a chocolate canvas, which is the main artboard you're going to paint with, some paints, some sprinkles and decorations, the painting tools, art certificate, and a painting palette. Put the plastic bag into a standard mug. Pour 1/3 cold water and 2/3 just boiled water. Make sure the bag is sealed with less air inside. Lay the water bag in the box. Place the palette over the bag gently. Break chocolate paint into small pieces. Place chocolate paint in the separate positions of the clear palette. Cover the box to warm the paint for at least 5 minutes. Add some spray oil occasionally to get a smooth, slickerish and less thick paint. In cold days, reheat the water bag in the box with microwave for less than 60 seconds each time. Cover the palette box when it's not in use to keep it warm. Cut the leaf shape and use them as the stencils. Place the stencil where you want the leaves to go. I put the bigger leaf in the center and the smaller leaf on the top right corner. They are slightly overlapped. Glue the stencils to keep them in position. Finished planning, we'll paint the background first with green and white. Dip one side of the brush with white and the other side with green to create a half-mixed effect. Gently paint the edges over the stencils. And we paint small but thick strokes. You can see the strokes texture of semi-blended green and white. Cover the whole background with this technique. You can brush it in any random direction, however you feel. If the first layer is too light, that you can see through the creamy chocolate base, you may add on more green or white in places to create more contrast. More white paint is preferred near the edges of the leaves. Now it's the time for the leaves. Gently remove the leaves. Fill in the shape with a flat, thin layer of green. If you want a more precise shape, you can take the outer stencil shape as a guide and continue to fill in the green. Add a second layer of the same green with small strokes starting from the center of the leaf, going outwards, following along the middle line. Leave the edges of the leaf with a thin layer of green which looks lighter than the center. Then we mix a darker shade of green by adding some blue. Add one more layer of the dark green near the center to create depth. So far, it has at least 3 layers with different depth. Then, take the wooden stick and carve the leaf lines. One vertically down the middle, then add lines going out, follow the curves of the leaf. Take a small amount of white on the brush and outline the half lines near the edge. Follow the same process for the second leaf. Remember 3 layers of green. Darker green in the middle while lighter green near the edges. Add the final gentle touches by taking the green to paint the stems. Then take a bit of white to add along one side of the stem lines. Here goes to the final step. Use the stick to clean up the edges of the canvas. Now we're finished.